Breaking news! Tito Sotto, handang-handa na sa impeachment laban kay VP Sara Duterte. Handa na umano si Senate President Tito Sotto sakaling umabot sa Senado ang isang impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Laging handa ang Senado dahil bahagi ito ng aming trabaho, kasama na sa aming mga patakaran. Dagdag pa niya, personal na siyang naghahanda sakaling siya ang maging presiding officer sa isang impeachment trial. I am being briefed some justice friends because I would want to concentrate on how to be the presiding officer of an impeachment court pagdating sa rules of evidence saka rules on criminal procedures.
The Senate is always ready. Kasi part of our job yun eh. Kasama sa rules namin yan. Meron din kaming approved rules of impeachment dati. It's still there, it's standing. All we have to do is ratify it again if ever we receive any articles of impeachment. Okay. Para sa concern naman, I am being briefed by some justices friends because I would want to concentrate on how to be the presiding officer of an impeachment court pagdating sa rules of evidence at saka sa rules on criminal procedures. Yun ang pinakamahalaga lang naman sa ano eh. Yun ang pinakamahalaga sa impeachment eh. Kailangan maliwanag ang pananaw mo sa rules of evidence dahil maraming magagaling na abogadong magpapasa ng kung ano-ano sa iyo at sa court. And then yung rules on criminal procedures. Yun, I'm preparing for that, being the presiding officer. Now, whether I'm the presiding officer or not, sapagkat pagka-presidente ang ini-impeach, yung Chief Justice ang presiding officer. Still, as a member of the Senate and as a member of the impeachment court, you have to be prepared. Sapagkat hindi porke presiding officer, let's say yung presiding officer ay mayroong gustong i-sustain na objection, ayaw ng mga member. Ang member ng masusunod. Yung court ang masusunod, hindi yung presiding officer. So kailangan, as a senator, alam mo din dapat yung mga rules. As a senator, you must be aware of whether you're a lawyer or not, you must be aware of what is acceptable in rules of evidence. Yung mga gano'n. Kaya kahit regular senator ka lang, you must prepare in case there is articles of impeachment that reaches us. I'm sure they're being briefed every now and then. Kaya lang, mas importante yung pagka, let's say, you're either majority leader or you're the presiding officer, you must be well briefed on how to conduct the impeachment court. Conduct lang naman eh. Hindi ikaw ang judge, ha? You must remember na ganun eh. Ang judge yung buong impeachment court. And then, most probably, I will suggest that we do Monday to Friday from 3 p.m. up sa impeachment court. Di pwedeng patagalin yan. Kailangan niya as soon as possible, the fastest way possible. Unfair to the public and unfair to the person being charged.
At kung kayo naman ang tatanungin mga kababayan, ano kaya ang inyong reaksyon at komento sa balitang ito? Please comment down below at huwag na rin kalimutang i-like at share ang ating video.
Thank you for watching.